Hi beauties! I can't wait to show you this product from Nutree Professional. I really love my hair, but
if I add this product to my shampoo, the repairing effect will be even greater and my hair will look radiant.
let's try it. So I'm going to take my shampoo and this magic potion.
And it's easy to see, you are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night.
This is what my hair looks like before, and this is what it looks like after. I really love the result. Definitely this is one of my favorite products. So tell me, what are you waiting for to try it?
Night that we met, jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue.